want to do a quick video on this because I've never done a video on this car, even though I've had it for almost 5 years. And it may be going through some changes over the winter, so I wanted to document what it looked like prior to going under the knife, as it were. So here we go, let's take a look. This is my 2018 FK8 Civic Type R, Champ White, and it's running a fully custom aero kit that I designed. It's all 3D printed. There's no fiberglass anywhere. It's all made from plastic. What I did was I had the car scanned from a company called Ballon Bay, just west of Toronto, and designed the kit in Fusion, which is free for if you're just a hobbyist, and then 3D printed it in multiple pieces. So the front lip is 7, the side skirts are 5, the rear spat is a single piece. The front intakes are done in a slightly different plastic that's more rigid, but it's basically the same plastic as like wing mirrors, so it's done in an ASA material. And these were designed to feed an oil cooler that would hide in the bumper, and then the left one obviously just for symmetry and also the horn. But when I chose the route of preserving this car rather than beating it up at the track, I haven't put anything in there. But I'm thinking that some of the people I've sold these to are running coolers in there, so hopefully it is more functional than style. But for me, it just gives like the front end of my car a bit of a unique look. And it's a full kit, so it's the front lip, side skirts, and the rear spats, as well as the door finisher. The car is sitting on IBOC Pro Kit for a very, very minimal drop. So it's a 0.7 inch in the back, I think 0.6 in the front. Wheels are Work Emotion ZR10 in 18 by 9.5, 38 millimeter offset. Tires are 255/40 Continental Extreme Contact Sport. They scrape a teeny bit in the back, but scrape, not rub, just the lightest of touches. The idea for this build was it to be more of an OE plus thing, so it's not too crazy. So up back we have an Apex N1X Evolution stainless steel catback, or rather just the rear section. I don't have the front pipe. And then this one is running the titanium tips, dual 5-inch rolled titanium, which I think looks great, and it also probably one of the best sounding ones. And we're going to put a little bit of sound in that right now. Okay, for the interior, I have a Mugen steering wheel, Mugen shift knob, and down in the footwell, the Acuity pedal spacer. Under the hood, bone stock with the exception of a Mishimoto air intake, which I've removed the lid on the box so I can get extra whoosh whoosh out of the blow-off valve. Sounds great. It's, you know, not exactly a power gainer. Then again, on force induction, intakes don't really do anything but make noise. And we also have a Mishimoto air oil separator, which is kind of a must-have for direct ejection engines. Keep that oil off your valves. Got some of these finisher panels that are similar to the OEM ones that you can get from Honda, but these are from eBay and they cost 40 bucks instead of 500, so that's been pretty good. And the whole car, because this is it's a daily that doesn't get dailied, really. It's driven 3 times a week maybe, but you know, these cars are going extinct, so I made sure that We rust-proofed it for longevity, even though it makes for a messy engine bay. Alright, so that's what the car looks like now. It's time to get into winter mode. Boo. Well, shit. Winter mode again. If you want to see more about the car, check out the Instagram links, or, like the thing, hit the thing if you want to see more videos about the car. Thanks. See you guys next time.